Hello again, everyone. I'm still playing catch up, and I realised that I missed the number 25 goodie calendar. So let's have a look at the 25th one, and then we'll have a look at the one for the 26th. Oh, that's a dear little heart. That's beautiful. Pop it on a magnet a minute, and we'll see what's in the 26th. This is a gluey one. Here it is. Stuck in. I think that's a little pocket watch. Okay, let's have a look and see what we have for this one. Teddy on a scooter. So again, I want to try and do these things kind of as quickly as I can to sort of catch up. So what I did was cut a couple of scooters and 3 teddies to do my layering business. I thought we'd have the wheels in the background and an extra sort of superstructure over the top. So let me just cut the wheels off one of these. I've taken the bits off that, so I'll cut these ones off. Right, let's just see how we can get these wheels out of here. I think if we cut here and go across to there, and the other side the same, maybe. I think that has to go up to there. And this bit out here. That bit. And, oh, I think I've cut a bit much just there. I might have to do a bit of, creative gluing. There we go. That's the back one. That's more tricky because it's got, 2 supports for the mud guard and all the rest of it. Let's just get this bit out. And then we'll be in business, I think. Right. That's the top layer. Just do we need something? I think I might do the whole of that black. The wheel. My car's got black wheels, supposed to be posh. Look mean. Yes, we'll do that. Let's just do that. Right. I think we'll have maybe a red bike with a little bit of silver. Shall we? Here's my red. R3. Let's see what R3 looks like. No, it's too orange. Let's have R2. That's going to be better. Yep, that's better. Now we'll have a red mud guard. There. This one can be red. I think this bit can be red as well. And that bit, then the next bit up can be silver. Let's have this bit red. As far as there. And then that bit can be silver. I may put a bit of black on that. And this bit can be silver under here. And I think the foot plate business can be black. Probably should have cut some more layers, really. Never mind, we'll be fine. Oh, I want these tyres black. Just do all of this lot black. Let's see what this looks like on top of there. I think that'll be okay. Let's glue them together. Okay. Now, Teddy. Cut several layers for him, and I've put some sticky tape on the back of this one because the eyes stayed in, and I want him to have some eyes. So he's going to go onto here, and he's going to be a nice brown Teddy. Let's have a nice brown Teddy. I've got a few left from before Christmas. Let's just see what these are like. This is E310, and this is BR2. Let's see. I think that'd be quite nice. So if I cut, let's just see. We want an extra leg at the front for the very top layer. That's the very top layer, and this one I need to cut the head off. That can go there, and then this can go on the top. I think that'll be fine. Let's just put those on one side so I don't get in a pickle. And now we'll colour these. Okay. Do this just inside his ear, I think. This is the next one. Did I want a second layer? I think I did want a second layer for his head. Yes, I did, because I don't want his eyes to be too recessed. I'll do this. Right, let's start putting some layers together. Shouldn't have actually cut the head off, really. I get in a muddle. I'll see if I can find another nose somewhere. I don't know what happened to... Oh, this one there. I can pop that in. I will do that. There we go. We got his nose. Excellent. We'll get there. Actually, I'm going to cut this off. There he is. Now we just need to give him an eye. He can't be there and not look where he's going, can he, really? There we are. Doesn't it make a difference? So what I thought I'd do with him, actually, is to... let's pop him like this. Give him a frame that's actually just slightly smaller than he is, so that he's popping out of it, if you know what I mean. So I've got a frame here. I've got a card, well, a square card. It's about a 6-inch card, but it's a metric measurement that's in, you know, silly numbers. Pop that in like that. So his head's going to be popping out over the top. I think that looked kind of cute, kind of cool, really. And the sentiment that I thought would be rather fun is best day ever. Best day ever when somebody gets a scooter. Let's give him a bit of shape, shall we? Could have cut that back ear off, couldn't I, really? I've stuck it now. Never mind. Just do a few edges. Could put a bit of foam tape behind this front leg just to give that a bit more dimension as well. Okay. So what do we think about this frame? Just wondering whether we give it like a wooden frame. I have got some wood effect card. Let me stamp this and see. I'm not sure about this frame. I like it, but I just don't know if it's going to work. I'm going to cut a rectangle out of that, I think. I think I'm going to do that instead. I've just got to... I'm not too keen on the other frame. I thought it would be good at the time. Right, I'm going to cut out this rectangle and mount him on it. Let's have a slightly larger one. I thought we'd frame it with another one, and I think I'm going to do the browns for this. So, where are my browns? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. I think that'll be fine. I'm going to go with that. I think that'll be fun. So let me just pop these two together. Now we'll get the scooter on. Now him, he needs a bit of help. Have a bit of foam just in there. Bit of foam on his head. I think I'll put a glue dot on his hand to make sure he grabs the handlebars. Okay. And a bit of glue elsewhere. I'll take this off first. There we go. Let's try and pop this on. I just hope I've got that foam tape high enough up there. Yeah, I think I do. That is the important bit there. Then he'll stand on there. No, not quite in the right place. There, that's where it needs to be. And I think we'll put a bit of glue tape on this as well. Not glue tape, foam tape. I'm just wondering if I can fit that little heart hanging off the corner of the bike. I'll see. Needs to be a bit high. I need an extra piece of foam tape there. There we go. Better. Let's just see if we can get this little heart hanging. Oh, it doesn't look right, really, does it? Well, there we go. It's finished. I just had to go and answer the door. So when I came back, I found a little place to hang the heart. And there we go. 2 days caught up. 2 to go to catch up with today. So I don't know if I'll get any more done today, but look forward to the next one when it's here. So thanks for joining me, and see you soon.